Alright, finally I've come out with the first video for all of you Guru Circle members. I'm sorry it's taken this long, but I just wanted to get the launch over with. It's been a week now since launch, which was very successful, and thank you all of you for becoming a part of Guru Circle. I'm really excited. I'm going to give you a lot of great content that's coming up in the next month and so on. So I'm just releasing this first video today, and what it's going to be talking about is something called Stat Counter in Google Analytics. And a lot of you may know what that is already, and a lot of you may not. And what it is going to allow you to track how many people come to your blog, so you know exactly what's going on, because it's no use of just working in the dark and not knowing how many people are coming to your blog, because that's not going to help you. You need to know exactly how many people come today, how many people came yesterday, and so on. But what I'm going to show you is exactly how to add a free service onto your blog so that you can start tracking from today onward, so that you know when it's time for you to get big advertisers on board for you to make a ton of money. So I've actually made a screen capture showing you exactly how to add the code, where to put it on your blog, and so forth. This video will just change right into that, and I just wanted to thank you again for being a part of this, and welcome you to the Guru Circle members area. And I'm going to be releasing a video per week from now on, as long as you remember, one video per week, which is going to be an in-depth video of something that's going to help you succeed even more with your blog, or with your internet marketing, or with making money online in general. And this is the first video to get you started, and I think it's important that you get going and start tracking what's going on with your blog. So this is it. Thanks for watching, and let's see how you can do it now. Alright, so let me just show you how to install these codes for tracking onto either your WordPress blog or your Tumblr blog, because I know some of you have WordPress, some of you have Tumblr. I'm going to show you exactly how to do both of them. So I like to use Stat Counter like I was spinning before, but just so you know, this is what the Google Analytics page looks like. It's google.com/analytics. Okay, you could go to Google and type it in as well, but I'm just going to show you an example of how to use Stat Counter, because to be completely honest, I like them much better than Google Analytics because I find it much easier. But whatever you feel comfortable with, you can do. It works the same way by putting the code on. So pretty much, this is a Stat Counter. So inside Stat Counter, once you have an account, all you're going to have to do is click on My Projects and then click on New Campaign. And once you click on New Project, it's either New Project or New Campaign. It looks like it's New Project here. But New Project, this page will come up. And on this page, you type in what your website title is. So I'm just going to put Adam Testing for now. And then your website URL, you want to put on the website that you're going to be placing your Stat Counter onto, your code onto. So it's AdamHorowitz.tv. You want to choose what category your blog is about. So I'm going to put money and finance, I guess, for now. And all these other here, time zone, 30 minutes, 500, you could just skip that. If you want to fix the time zone for the area that you're in, yes, you could do that, but I've never really had to deal with that because it works perfectly fine when I just leave it what it is. So then you're just going to click Next, and it's going to take you to the next page where it's going to say, all right, configure and install code. So you're going to click this button as well. And then here, now Stat Counter offers, if you want to have a visible counter on your blog, which shows everyone who visits your site how many people are visiting your site, or if you want to have it invisible, or if you want a button. I never show anyone how many people are visiting my site, so I always keep it invisible, and I recommend you do as well. So you just have to click the invisible counter one, so check that off, and then you're going to click Next again, and it's going to take you right to this page, and it says please choose your blog/web page editor to install the guide. So I'm going to install it for WordPress, so that's WordPress, and I'm paying for my own hosting. Or if it's Tumblr, you just pick Tumblr, so either one's fine. Keep everything else exactly the same. Don't check anything off. Just click Next, and then right after you click Next, it's going to take you to the actual code. So now all you have to do is take this code right here, not the top part, like that. You're going to copy it, and now we're going to have to go and add it to our blog. So the way it works is, this is inside the WordPress panel. A lot of you may find this familiar if you're using WordPress. If not, and you're using Tumblr, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it on the Tumblr one as well right after this. So just keep on watching. For the WordPress users, all you have to do is click something under Appearance here on the left-hand side. You'll see something called Editor. You're going to click Editor, and once you click Editor, you're going to be taken to something like looks like this, and you can see all the code for your website, right? So it's very important that you don't mess any of this code up, because once you change something in this code, it changes what your website will look like, or what your blog will look like. So keep everything exactly the same. All you're going to want to do is go to Footer. You'll see it's footer.php. You're going to click on footer.php, and right here above the body, you're going to see it says slash body and then slash HTML. Right above the body, you're going to paste in the code. Just like that, okay? Paste it in, and then you're going to click update file. And once you update the file and you paste it in, that means that it'll start tracking it. And the reason you want to put it on the footer is because the footer is on every page of your blog, and you want it to track through every page of your blog. So that's why I put mine on the footer. So that's really all you have to do is take that code that you just made off the Stack Counter, and you just need to plug it in right above the body. If you don't put it above the body and you put it underneath the body, it won't work. It needs to be included in the body. So that's very important. Then all you have to do is click update file. So that's that. Now, let's move on to onto Tumblr, because it's going to be the same exact thing, or a little bit different, but pretty much the basics. So on Stack Counter here, you're going to want to click on the thing that says Customize. It's on the right side here. You just click Customize. And once you click Customize, it'll take you to this page, which is going to be the editing page. And a lot of you will find this familiar already because you're going to be doing this for yourself, or you've already tried testing out different templates or whatever for your Tumblr blog. If you haven't done this yet, it's just the little Customize button, and you can change the whole look of it. I talk about it in Dude, I Hate My Job, actually, so a lot of you should know about this already. And then all you're going to do is click on Advanced, and you see Add Custom CSS right here. Right here, all you do is click Paste, and you paste it in right there, alright, under Advanced, and voila, your thing will be tracked. Then you just close it off and you click Save. That's all you have to do, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully that explains exactly how to add the Stack Counter thing into it. And then after you've done that, then you just click on My Projects again, and you view, and you'll be able to see in Stack Counter under My Projects how many people have gone to your site, how many people have, how long they've stayed on, whatever you want. It's all going to be under your projects. You're just going to click on the tab that you created called Atom Testing. Obviously, it's going to be called whatever you wrote down when setting it up. And boom, there you go. You'll be set, and you'll be able to start tracking right away. So hopefully this helped you understand exactly how to track stuff to your blog, or track people visiting your blog. And it's going to help you improve getting more traffic, because now you're actually going to be able to say, all right, cool, I had 100 people visit me today. Let's see if tomorrow I could get 300 people if I do another, if I tweet some more, if I do some more social media networking, whatever it is. Now you could see your steady growth of traffic, and once you start hitting the good thousands and thousands of people per day, then you'll know it's time for you to start getting some big advertisers on board, and you'll be able to start making a killing online. So that's pretty much it. Stack Counter is the one that I recommend, but again, Google Analytics is fine. But remember, it's really important that you need to have your own type of stat to view how many people are coming to your site, because if you don't know, you're just working with no numbers, and you don't know what's going on, and it's really not smart. So you need to be on top of things all the time and be able to say, all right, yeah, I know today I got this many, yesterday I got this many, and then so forth. And that's what you're going to be able to do with Stack Counter and Google Analytics. So hopefully this helped you. Thanks again for checking this out, and see you later.